Hello everyone, my name is Darian Sandmartin and I'm the founder of the Rocket IELTS course. And now I want to show you how the interactive platform that we use to deliver you the Rocket IELTS course looks like on the inside. Here is a dashboard of one of our real students. So you will see that some lessons here are already done by him and some are still yet to be finished, like these ones. Let's take a look at the Speaking Part 1 strategy lesson, for example. Each lesson has several sections on the right, and then it starts with a video with some theory delivered and explained thoroughly by me. I can also leave some comments here, some notes, so that it's clearer for you. I always add some useful language that really comes in handy for your speaking lessons, and then there is practice, of course, where you can listen to some of the sample answers from me here and read scripts as well. And then the student has already recorded his own practice and answered some of the part 1 questions, and I left comments to his practice here. So you can see how they are visible for every student. Let's now take a sneak peek to one of the writing lessons. For instance, this is the Task 1 strategy lesson. Everything starts with understanding the task and a theoretical video from me. Then the student goes through different types of visual data. There is also the essay structure section where I explain how to write an essay and give the sample answer. The student works with some true or false questions and then practices the writing introductory sentences and overviews to real IELTS questions, and then I also correct them. Like here you see some of my corrections because I have already reviewed this. We also add checklists that are very detailed for all of the writing and speaking tasks for the VAP packages students. Using these checklists, you can be sure that you will score Band 7+. Vocabulary plays a huge role in the course as well. So for example, here is one of our vocabulary blocks that are packed with useful words. We have 3 vocabulary sections, 1 here, 2 here with practice and overview, and then my favorite is the work with authentic sources. Here is one of the videos that we work with. It's a TED video, and then the student gets to work with the vocabulary from the video, practicing using phrasal verbs, and then identifying if the following contain lexical errors, or doing some theoretical tests here, and then writing some essays to practice the newly remembered words. And we for sure have some full mock tests in the beginning and in the end. We use mock tests to track your progress, and they consist, of course, of 4 parts: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, where you get to work with the real IELTS difficulty questions. I have worked very hard to deliver you this packed curriculum for the course with more than 50 unique video lessons and lots of practice. So I will be happy to see you as one of the course students.